Alright, let's check this shit out. Shit, why is it open? Let's try this out. This came apart. We'll figure that out, won't we? Here he go again. Could just cut it to get that open. Oh yeah, opened it the wrong way. Alright, so we gotta put all this stuff back into its spot, yo. Wherever that be. Alright. Whoopso. Whoopso calypso. We're gonna have to get that back in there. There we go. Alright. So the parts we get. We got this looks like a dent puller. Old school. So that's going to be going in there like that. And to the end of that, you screw that into the hole and ga-boom, ga-boom. Old school. Nowadays you would probably epoxy something to it. Don't know what that one's for. Oh, maybe I do. Alright, so this one for pulling hubs. I'm going to show you that one. Pulling a hub off the car. You know, this goes to the end there. This goes to the you know, the lug nuts. And you're able to pull your hubs out. I've used it on the Ford front wheel hubs. These on a Crown Vic or any Ford, you do not pull the rear seals out with these things. You do not do this kind of thing and try to pull the rear seals out. How are those getting spidered out anyway? Where is it? And you don't do this one. No. How do those get spidered out? What's holding them? Oh, this. There it is. There it are. And then you got your 3 screws to hold those on. It's going to go like this. And do not do this setup to go pull that out. Believe me, you'd be wasting your time. I mean, maybe it'll work, but why would you do that when you have these? It is, I believe, this one. You stick this in like this into the rear seals of the Crown Vic or Ford with the rear end tubes. Stick it in there like this, and then bam, bam, and you'll pull those. You pull those seal and bearing out in 2 or 3 pulls. No issues. Yeah. Don't believe it's this one. Oh, maybe it is this one. Yeah, I'll show a video of doing that. This is your 5 horsepower, I mean 5 pound, 5-pounder. Yep. Beautiful. You could, if you have an Advance Auto near you, you could rent this. Advance Auto doesn't charge you anything. They charge you $183 to rent this, but then you return it, and they'll give you your $183 back. I don't know what this one does. So that's going to go in there. What does this one do? Well, this lets you do just 2 of those. All right. So how does this one work? Maybe it goes with this. How does this one work? Does it go this way? I don't know what this one does. All right, read the manual. Let me tell you something. Square. Where's that square at? Oh, this. Never used that. And here's they're using the flapper ones. Here's pulling a hub. Pulling a hub. He says the flapper one to pull the bearing out. I've never done this one or that one. Here's a dent pull. I don't think you want to do dents that way anymore, especially something like that. Why would you drill a hole? You just apply some heat and do some epoxy or glue and then pull on it. Let's see, there's more hub pullers. What is it? Same thing in different language? Yeah. Alright, so that's the set. It's $100 on Amazon. There's other kits on Amazon that don't come with these. I don't know if they come with this. Or maybe they just don't come with these. But you do not want to use these to pull a rear bearing on a Ford. You don't want to do that on a rear-wheel drive Ford. Those are a no-go. Because you can't hold them spread out, and they just keep collapsing, and you're never going to get that thing out. And you don't want to do the prying stuff either. You just this in, boom, boom, and it's out. That's it, and you're done. No fighting, no sweat, no tears, but bam. You could try this one. Try this one. Although you'd probably, I would guess that would snap off, because those things are in there pretty damn strong. Definitely not that. So I'll show you some videos of this in use. And the one thing I forgot is when you open this, you don't open it the way I opened it. You want to open it this end. This down. Alright, we got our hinge fixed. No cries, no tears, hinge is fixed. Should we put this back on? Yeah. Alright. So here is the truth that's going to come. Alright, we see some movement. We got this 5-pound sledge on here. Screw that until it hits the hub. You're supposed to do that, but whatever. That's what I'm doing. Alright. Now let's watch that hub. Oh, look at that. We got it. Oh, yeah. Any second that's going to come flying out. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Thank you, slide hammer. Alright. Getting this bearing out. So it's going to go in sideways. You're going to go in sideways like that. It goes in, and then it clips. And then you're going to slide hammer. I'm going easy so you can see it. And that is out. Let's see, that's out. Now, that took more than normal because I was trying to film it and not get it to slam out and hold everything, and I dropped everything anyway. So that's how easy it comes out with this slide tool. So get one. Don't make your own crap. Unless you got something that actually works. But you saw how long that took. This is only a 1.5-minute video so far, and that thing is out. Stop going into the dirt. Come on, push the button. Where are you going? You fixing it? Owen. Yeah, Owen. Another one of these bots jobs. Thanks. Whoop, sorry. We got to use 2 screwdrivers to keep grabbing one, right? Yeah.